Types of descriptive research. There are 9 types of descriptive research. There are descriptive survey, descriptive normative, descriptive status, descriptive analysis, descriptive classification, descriptive evaluation, descriptive comparative, correlational survey, and last is longitudinal survey. Descriptive survey. This type is suitable wherever the subjects vary among themselves and one is interested to know the extent to which different conditions and situations are obtained among the subjects. The word survey signifies the gathering of data regarding present conditions. A survey is useful in providing the value of facts and focusing attention on the most important things to be reported. For example, a researcher wants to determine the job-related problems and job performance of staff nurses in private and government hospitals in the city and provinces of Iloilo. The researcher uses a questionnaire as his research instrument in gathering and collecting data. Each item in the questionnaire for job-related problems may be rated according to 4 levels to be chosen by the subjects or respondents, namely 4 very serious problems, 3 serious problems, 2 very serious problems, and 1 not problem at all. Weighted arithmetic means is the statistical tools used to determine the job-related problems met by staff nurses. From the data gathered, the researcher tabulates, analyzes, and interprets the data. Then he proves that the facts gathered are of value to the researcher, in particular, and to the subjects. Staff nurses in general, he should then focus his attention to the most serious job-related problems met by the staff nurse. Within's case, 1972, stressed that the term normative is something used because surveys are frequently made to ascertain the normal of typical condition for practice or to compare local test results with a state or national norm. For instance, a researcher wishes to conduct a study on the English achievement of fourth-year secondary students at the state colleges and universities in Region 7, Central Visayas. An achievement test is the instrument used to gather the data. The result of the test are then compared with the regional norm. If the achievement of fourth-year secondary status in English at SUSCS is one of standard deviation above the mean, unsatisfactory, or they need improvement. In other words, in a descriptive normative survey, the results findings of the study should be compared with the norm. Descriptive status. This approach to problem solving seeks to answer the questions to real facts relating to existing conditions. This is a technique of quantitative description which determines the prevailing conditions in a group of cases chosen for study. Several descriptive status studies stress current condition with the assumption that things will change. They cover many traits or characteristics of the group. For instance, a researcher wishes to conduct a study on the socio-economic status and performance of instructors and professors of state universities and colleges in Region 9, Western Mindanao. He uses a questionnaire as instrument in gathering data. He requests the subjects of the study to answer the questionnaire based on the responses on the subjects. The researcher can determine the socio-economic status and performance of SUCS professor and instructors in Region 9, whether the higher the socio-economic status is, the higher the performance will be, or the lower the socio-economic is, the lower the performance is.